Hello, I'm Yunsong Xie, major in Master of Science in Marketing at HKU Business School with a previous background in film studies. Living in Hong Kong has been an incredible experience for me. I love exploring the city during my holidays, discover new areas, sitting by the sea, and try new foods. What I find the most fascinating is the city's fast-paced environment and the diverse culture that coexists. I recommend newcomers look for accommodation near the classroom and MTR station for easy access to the daily facilities and transportation. My favorite part of the program was the hands-on approach to learning and the opportunity to work on real-life, up-to-date marketing projects involving digital marketing, data analysis, marketing research, and marketing simulation. I enjoyed the experience of learning a significant amount of knowledge in a short period of time. The most challenging aspect was managing time efficiently between classes, job hunting, and workshops. I overcome it by prioritizing my tasks and breaking down them into smaller, more manageable pieces. Practical, but that's one of the best parts I love the program because the structure is flexible. I can modify different courses based on my preferences and career goals. So, fellows, the experience is based on your preferences. I have 5 key points to upcoming offer holders of the program. The first one is take advantage of the diverse range of the career development activities offered by CDT. Second, be prepared to job finding and take initiative to develop your skills. Third, network. It's essential for success in the business world. Be open-minded and willing to learn from different perspectives from the classmates. Always embrace the challenge presented by the student projects and have fun. My advice to future applicants is to thoroughly research the program and ensure that it aligns with your career goals. And for those who are already enrolled, take advantage of the resources available and actively participate in CDT workshops and events to gain the most value.